We're installing a dryer vent. You need your jigsaw hole in the wall. All you do is measure the circumference and you cut out this hole in the wall. And then you place this
I've had several damn dryer vents cut in that thing before.
That's what it looks like, huh? Now it should just slide right in.
Hopefully.
There we go.
We'll see what happens in there now. See if it's gonna work now.
Alright, yep, we're in. Now we gotta fill it up with the goo gone. Honey?
You don't want to go all the way out. Hold up. I have to make a big old hole out here because this got to go over this flange.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? It's got to go over this bigger hole.
Yeah.
I'm about to make it a little bit bigger. You can see the jigsaw right here.
Okay. Oh, here you go. Alright, let's see if it works. Oh yeah, now we're cooking.
That's going to work.
Yeah.
Did the kit come with 4 screws?
Did the kit come with 4 screws? No, it didn't
I think
come
it
with
did,
screws.
didn't it?
No, I just grabbed that
Yep, that was in there.
piece. Yeah.
We probably
You got
find some
screws?
It should have had 4 screws come with it. Wood screws. Maybe they don't fly them no more.
Bastard.
Sure it wasn't done. It was in a box.
Honey, you want a goo gone on the inside of that? Or should we wait till you screw it?
Yeah, once he screws it, I'll gook it.
Let's gook it.
We'll gook it. We just use these damn screws right here.
It fit through pretty nicely. And you want to put that liquid insulation in. Screw it in, and that's how you do it.